What's up, you guys? I am back with another Diddy update. Here is everything you need to know about day 2 of his trial. So, jury selection for Diddy's trial continued for a second day as the judge and lawyers worked to find 12 New Yorkers who could stay fair and unbiased, even if they already had opinions about him. Most people questioned this morning were disqualified because of how they answered questions meant to test their fairness. Some of them had already seen or heard stuff about the case in the media, like a video where Diddy was seen hitting and kicking one of his accusers in a hotel hallway back in 2016. One guy who said the video made him think Diddy seemed angry, hostile, and entitled was still kept in the pool. The judge wants to build a group of 45 potential jurors to choose the final 12 jurors and a few alternates. They picked 19 people yesterday and 6 more this morning out of 15 interviewed. The other 9 were dismissed. Some couldn't speak English well. Others had health issues, and a few were let go because they might be biased against Diddy. The jury selection continued, with lawyers trying to weed out people who knew too much about the case. Everyone had to fill out a questionnaire, including questions about media exposure. One man admitted he read a USA Today article about the selection process on May 5th, even though he knew he shouldn't. Prosecutors said that he showed he couldn't follow instructions, so he was dismissed. Opening statements are supposed to start on March 12th, next Monday, and the trial could last up to 2 months. One woman, the first person questioned in court this morning, said she had been the victim of an attempted R-word 3 years ago by a stranger and was disappointed by how the police handled it. She said she felt that the cop could have done a lot more. She said she could still be fair. However, the judge pointed out in her questionnaire she wrote, P. Diddy has a lot of money and could buy his way out of jail, so she was also dismissed. Duh, why would she say that? The remaining jury pool includes people aged 30 to 75 with all kinds of jobs: scientists, professional movers, behavioral health associates, grocery store deli workers, and more, most of them college educated. So, some surprising celebrity names came up during jury selection yesterday, like Michael B. Jordan, Mike Myers, Cassie Ventura, Michelle Williams from Destiny's Child, Dallas Austin, Lauren London, Dawn Richard, Kanye West, and Kid Cudi. None of them are accused of any crimes, but their names were read to jurors to see if they knew any of them. Kid Cudi was reportedly on the list because prosecutors believe Diddy bombed his car back in 2011. At the time, Cudi was dating Cassie, who is now the trial star witness. Michael B. Jordan's name came up because Cassie said Diddy was upset that she went on a date with him in 2015. In her complaint, Cassie mentioned that in 2015, she began a flirtatious relationship with an actor. When Diddy found out, Cassie alleged Diddy called the actor and threatened him. Sources confirmed that the actor referenced in the lawsuit is Michael B. Jordan. Young Miami, who used to date Diddy, was also mentioned. I really hope they subpoenaed her. She's gross. Oh, gosh, she's gross. I don't like her. According to reports, some potential jurors said they had never heard of any of the celebrities listed, which was surprising. Not even Michael Myers? Where are these potential jurors from? Like, really? Also, Diddy just added a black female lawyer, Nicole Westmoreland, to his legal team. He had been looking specifically for a black woman attorney, so she'll be working alongside another black attorney, Xavier Robert Donaldson. So having two black lawyers is interesting since Diddy's team has been saying this whole case is about race and that it's a federal attack on a rich, successful black man. Yeah, so Diddy has now 8 lawyers to defend him. Look, Diddy know he's going to lose this case. 8 lawyers. And then yesterday, he asked the judge to go use the bathroom. The judge said, wait. Diddy was like, Your Honor, I really need to use the bathroom. I am nervous today. Yeah, he knows what's up. I am so mad. I never mailed back my jury duty questionnaire from like a year ago. I could have ended up being one of the potential jurors in Diddy's trial. Can you imagine that? Imagine me in Diddy's trial, a juror in Diddy's trial. I would have faked it till I made it. I would be like, Diddy who? Diddy what? What even is a Diddy? Diddy who? Diddy what? I would play dumb. I would say, Kid Capri? Do you mean like Capri Sun for kids? I would act like I didn't know anything. Like, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Why didn't I mail it back? Oh my gosh. Oh well. And these courtroom sketch drawings, they got me cracking up. I be laughing my butt off. They always have people looking wild. Diddy look straight up crazy in some of them. This one right here is my favorite. Like, what the heck is this? And the one of his mom, Janice, with the blonde curly wig. Look at it, look at it. Oh my gosh. Remember that day she came to court with the curly wigs and the freaking glasses like she was 16 years old? A hot mess. You guys, this whole jury selection process has been comedy. I'm about to make a video going over all the wild potential jurors that got dismissed. It is too good not to share. These potential jurors, oh my God, the things that they admitted to, oh my gosh. It's like, do you know where you at? Oh my gosh, that is all, you guys. That is all. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss any updates on this case. All right? Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.